Okay, so in this particular video, I want to share with you the board responsibilities for 2025. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to share with you certain structure, roles and duties for high-performing directors. If you're a CEO or director, aspiring to be a director or part of a leadership team, striving to elevate your company's performance, then I believe this particular video is absolutely crucial for you. So what we are going to do is we are going to deep dive into certain board responsibilities, exploring the structure, the roles and duties that drive successful organizations. And by the end of the video, what's going to happen is you'll be able to gain a crystal clear insight into optimizing your board structure, ensuring you have the right people in the right roles for maximum impact, and also clarifying board responsibilities as well as eliminating confusion and having accountability. So this is about boosting your board effectiveness and implementing strategies to enhance decision making and strategic oversight. It will also help you to understand the critical difference between urgency and anxiety, and it will help you to cultivate a productive, high-performing mindset. And we'll also be looking into the power of authentic leadership, leaving egos behind and building a culture of trust and collaboration. So please ensure you stick with me till the end, because I'll also be sharing some cutting-edge insights for 2025 and beyond, plus a powerful strategy that many leaders overlook, which is the transformative impact of an accountability partner. Okay, so let's get into it. The board of directors plays a pivotal role in any organization, and it sets the strategic direction, overseeing management and also ensuring accountability to stakeholders. But what happens is, too often we see boards struggle with ambiguity around their responsibilities, and this lack of clarity can really lead to inefficiency, missed opportunities, as well as even serious governance issues. So one of the first things we need to address is the structure of the board. This involves defining roles, responsibilities and reporting lines. So a well-defined structure ensures that everyone knows their duties and how they contribute to the overall success of the organization. So let me give you a specific example so you can understand better. The chair of the board is responsible for leading meetings, setting the agenda and ensuring effective communication between the board and the management. Now the CEO, on the other hand, is responsible for the day-to-day operations of the company and implementing the strategic direction set by the board, and these roles must be distinct and clearly understood. Now if you think about responsibilities, these include a wide range of duties, and this will be from strategic planning and risk management to financial oversight and succession planning. So what this is, it's crucial that each board member understands their individual responsibilities and how they align with the overall goals of the organization. I recall a situation when I was acting as an accountability partner for a growing tech startup. And what happened is the board was struggling with strategic decision making. Now they had brilliant individuals, but their roles and responsibilities weren't clearly defined, and you may have come across this. For instance, one was explicitly responsible for overseeing cybersecurity, which is a critical issue for any tech company. So what we did is we worked together to define clear roles and responsibilities, and we created a structure that ensured all critical areas were covered. Now this included establishing appraisals and evaluations compensation, and governance, each with a clear, defined charter. Now, this simple step dramatically improved their decision-making process and overall effectiveness. Also, another key challenge I often see is a lack of effective communication between the board and the management. And what happens is this can lead to misunderstandings, misaligned priorities, and also even conflict. What needs to be done is there must be open and transparent communication, which is essential for building trust and ensuring that everyone is working towards the same goals. By the way, also an important element is to have a set of policies that will make an impact from a governance perspective. And what I'm going to do is I'll be doing another video sharing these. Before we go ahead, if you find this valuable so far, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your network, and subscribe to the channel for more content on leadership and board excellence as well as high performance. And by the way, just to let you know, I also have an award-winning program, which is an online training program called Become a High Performing Director in 90 Days. And this is a comprehensive program with 11 modules designed to equip you with the skills and knowledge that you need to excel in your role as a board. And right now what you do is when you invest in the program, you get access to free lifetime subscription to a premium program worth £3,000 annually. So check out the link in the description below for more details. Now let's shift gears and talk about some practical steps you can take to enhance your board's performance. The first step, my dear friends, is cultivate an urgency mindset, not anxiety. What I've seen is many leaders confuse urgency with anxiety. And here's the thing, anxiety paralyzes while urgency motivates. So an urgency mindset is about focusing on what needs to be done now to achieve your long-term goals. It's about taking decisive action and avoiding procrastination. And this is a critical distinction. The second step, I would like you to embrace authentic leadership and leave egos behind. And authenticity is the cornerstone of effective leadership. So when leaders are genuine and transparent, what happens is they build a trust and drive a culture of collaboration. And egos, on the other hand, create barriers and hinder communication. So a strong board is one where everyone feels comfortable sharing their ideas and perspectives, regardless of whatever their position is. The third step, my dear friends, is leverage the power of an accountability partner. My dear friends, 2025 and beyond, if you want to accelerate growth, this is an important key recipe for success. In my opinion, coaches and advisors are valuable resource, but they often fall short when it comes to driving real behavioral change. That's where an accountability partner comes in. And a good accountability partner is going to act as a coach, mentor, trainer, and advisor, but most importantly, they will help you shift your behaviors and hold you accountable for your commitments. And I was seeing this firsthand, the transformative impact of an accountability partner. For CEOs and directors, I believe it's a game changer. It's about having someone who can provide objective feedback, challenge your assumptions, and help you stay focused on your goals. By the way, you don't need to be having a face-to-face with your accountability partner all the time. In today's interconnected world, what's happened is you can work with someone anywhere in the world as long as they provide value. And that's what I do. I work with CEOs and directors globally, helping them become high performers and drive growth in their companies. So let me share how this can help with some practical insights. I was working with the CEO of a medium-sized manufacturing company who was struggling to delegate effectively. And what was happening is that he was constantly putting out fires and felt overwhelmed. And what we decided to do is, through our work together, we managed to identify the root causes of the inability to delegate and develop strategies to overcome them. So I held him accountable for implementing these strategies, and within a few months he was delegating effectively, freeing up his time to focus on strategic initiatives. So to recap, my dear friends, effective board responsibilities are built on a foundation of clear structure, well-defined roles and duties, having an urgency mindset, authentic leadership, as well as the support of an accountability partner. These are the key ingredients for creating a high-performing board that drives organizational success. Now, if you are interested in learning more about how I can help you as an accountability partner, please reach out to me. The link is in the description below. So, my dear friends, look, thank you very much for watching. I hope you found this video valuable. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more content on leadership and board excellence. Thank you very much.